agree. Oh, of course, very cool. It was really funny. Yes, I think girls. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Girls, what happened here?
Good morning, Mommy.
I'm serious. Steffi, did you have a big party yesterday?
We just played with toys.
Steffi, some furniture are lying on the floor. Yes, Ada, this is your fault too.
Sorry, Mommy. It was a really cool evening yesterday, girls. Oh yes, Steffi, and I slept very well. Okay, girls, it was really cool, but we need to clean the room. Yes, Steffi, I agree with you, but I really want to sleep and I want to go for a walk, but we can do it only after clean. I think we should clean the room last night, girls. So, let's go to clean. And start with... Oh, there is a really big mess, girls. But we'll start with the towel. Tessie, let's go to clean. And start with the floor.
Annie, wake up, please.
Is it really necessary, Barbie?
Yes, Annie, it's very necessary because you have a really big mess in the room.
Okay.
Yes, and could you help girls with the dirty clothes, please?
Okay, no problem. But Barbie, could you vacuum the room, please? Because your vacuum cleaner is very big.
Oh, of course, no problem. And put away all dirty clothes, please.
Will you bring together the clothes? Of course, Steffi. That's great. And start with the towel. And dress. And the next is... Hey, help me please. So, put the blanket. And the pillow. Steffi, I've finished. Steffi, help me. Steffi. Okay, let's go to the laundry. And it's time for rubbish.
Wow, girls, the room is very clean. Good. Good job, girls.
Yes, Mommy, it wasn't very hard, but as you know, we can't vacuum the room.
Oh, don't worry, girls. Barbie, where's your vacuum cleaner? As far as I know, he lies on the bed, but we should see, of course. Okay, let's go.
That's all for now.